A local culinary experience, I think, refers to just the unique and the authentic food and dining experiences that are specific to a particular region or locality. It can it can encompass not only the food, but also the culture and the traditions and the ingredients. It's just how to build the atmosphere. I guess a couple of good examples of that would be, these are obvious, but if you're in Italy, then the local culinary experience might just involve some traditional pasta dishes, right? Or sampling of regional specialties. If you're in Japan, it could mean fresh sushi from a local fish market. So I think it just really is characteristic to where you are. Yeah, I think whenever you're planning a special event, you need to come to the table and define your purpose. What's the purpose of the event? And what's the theme? Maybe you've got a special theme going on for your particular conference. So what is that? So is it a team building activity? Is it a celebration? Is it, I don't know, maybe it's even a cultural event, but then you need to set a budget. And then this information, along with your conference planner at the venue, will be what you need to create that special event. If you have a special budget, that's very important. I don't want to give you a $500 a head dinner when you have a $50 budget. So budget is very important. And as I say, just understanding what the event needs to be. Definitely. And then you talk to your planner. And then probably what your planner is going to do is get the executive chef involved. And that person is going to be able to help you determine what that menu could entail. Maybe even put together a few menu suggestions based on your budget and what you're trying to present. We're in the Blue Ridge, Allegheny Mountains, that Appalachian cuisine. So I think that farm to table dining is especially important, where we're sourcing ingredients from local farmers and producers that are in Southwest Virginia, which is where we're located. It could be anything from a barbecue dinner to just maybe mouth-watering barbecue dishes, anything from pulled pork to smoky ribs. I think that would be very native to our area. And also, and maybe it can be even like an activity. You go to the farmer's market and you do a food tour, and it works especially well if your groups are a little smaller. It just is determined by the logistics of the group, but I think that's important. You could even plan a Virginia wine trail. Let me share with you what a group has done with us before that I thought was very successful and fun and native to the area. Was for them, it was all about a wine pairing event, but they wanted to feature some food that was local, and that's where I got the pulled pork and the smoky ribs idea, because we put it all on a big grill, the chef did, and he prepared it while everyone was socializing. And then as people were served, then he also paired it with Virginia wines. So right here in our conference center, we were able to offer that. So I think it gave them a unique local experience along with Virginia wines.